In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 1099 in QuickBooks Online. If you pay independent contractors, the 1099 is the form that reports what you paid them during the year. QuickBooks Online has a built-in workflow to help you prepare and file these forms accurately. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your company in QuickBooks Online and that you have permission to manage expenses. It also helps to have your contractor details and totals handy, along with any W-9 information you've collected. From the main workspace, head to the Get Things Done area. Move your mouse to the More option. Hovering here reveals additional categories that aren't always shown at first glance. Think of this as the drawer with all the advanced tools you'll use less often but need at year end. Next, select Expenses and Bills. This takes you into the Expenses Hub, where your vendor bills, bill payments, and contractor expenses live. The 1099 totals are built from the payments you've recorded to your contractors, so this is the right place to begin. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. QuickBooks updates its interface from time to time, but the path is the same. Inside the Expenses Hub, choose 1099s. This opens the 1099 Center, a dedicated space for preparing and managing contractor forms. Here, QuickBooks summarizes eligible payments and organizes what you'll review for each contractor. You'll see options to review information and move into preparation. If a contractor's information is incomplete, you'll be prompted to address it during the guided flow. When you're ready, click Prep My Own via QuickBooks. This selects the self-serve prep option, so you stay in control of the process while QuickBooks walks you through the details. In this guided experience, you'll confirm contractor information, review how your expense accounts map to 1099 boxes, and check totals. QuickBooks also applies the current filing thresholds, so you can focus on verifying that what you paid is captured correctly. From there, you can choose how you want to file and distribute copies. A few helpful tips as you go. Contractor payments made by credit card or certain payment networks are typically reported by the processor, not by you, so they may not appear in your 1099 totals. Make sure the date range reflects the correct tax year. Having W-9 details ready ensures names and tax IDs are accurate, which reduces rejections. And remember, 1099 forms are generally due to contractors by the end of January, so give yourself time to review. That's the full navigation to start your 1099s in QuickBooks Online. Hover over More, go to Expenses and Bills, open 1099s, and choose Prep My Own via QuickBooks. Follow the prompts, review carefully, and you'll be set for year-end compliance.